Honestly, it's an honor to just, be part of this. That water looks like it's been processed. This is looking finished.
It's landmark. We're creating waves. We're making history. We're definitely.
I didn't.
I remember your reaction first time. You were like, wow, wow, wow. Well, that's the bathroom.
Honestly, it's a massive balcony.
Massive.
You could have a have a special occasion.
Party, right?
Yeah. I tell you, it makes me want to invest now.
All of them.
Go and see the bank manager.
I know.
That's a year.
Next year, this will be done, right? 17.
Yeah, ahead of schedule.
Will be done next year. So, his dialect, see how we say, oh, you don't know me. I learned Sinyangye, which is how are you? Yan saying them in the office, Clean, Kitty, how are you?
So which one is come from?
14. Clean? Chinese, 14. 14. It's like shoes.
What floor is this?
10 minutes, 14.
Thank you. 14.
Yes, ni hao.
This is floor 14. Alright, so we're on the 14th floor of the Pinnacle. What time is this? I don't want to say. This is the swallow time. And just if you don't already know, the Pinnacle is the new #1 postcode in Jamaica. It is the biggest thing that Jamaica has seen in terms of a high-end residential building and scheme. There's nothing like it. The build quality, the location, and the team behind it. This is Kenya. She's part of the internal Pinnacle sales and marketing team, and we're taking a talk today. So there's not going to be a lot of talking today, but I will come in every now and again to fill you in on what you're looking at. So,
I think we spoke about it before.
yeah.
This is a lot for some people. They want that view because it gives it a growth and then it gives the city. So daytime is pretty, nighttime is beautiful because then you know the city of Jamaica comes alive and there are lights everywhere.
Yeah.
Every now and then there's a few times a week the cruise ships will dock right there. So you can stay here, see the cruise ships coming, see the beaches, see the different hotels, see the lights, then overlooking all this. See the breeze, hear the birds. Amazing. So
It's
we're
beautiful.
standing in a 3-bed unit, 1732 square feet. Front facing lagoon view.
Yeah. And from what I'm seeing, it's very spacious. unusual.
Floor is gonna have the best of both worlds because you're seeing over there for sunset,
Yeah.
and over there, right at the mountain range, is gonna be sunrise. You see it?
Yeah. It's amazing.
See? Parking is gonna come up to 7. The end of Canary is there, so it's gonna be about here. There to see. So we're seeing our sunset. And all of this is the balcony for that 2-bed. This is the 2-bed, so this is the living, dining, kitchen. Those are the 2 bedrooms at the front.
More open living concept, you know? Open living concept for dining area. And
Okay.
living area as well. Very spacious.
And you know, the shapes are quite simple as well. You got your simple rectangular shape, but it's sizable.
course.
It's very sizable,
Of
isn't it?
course.
They've
This one is
It's
12.99 square feet
It's minimalist, but actually it's very clean and nice.
because of how we're constructing. We're maximizing
Just the space and the height. I like the ceiling height as well.
9.5 feet.
And it makes a big difference,
Yes,
ceiling height.
minimizing the land space and maximizing the elevated space. Elevated living concept. So we don't have to, because you know land is constant, they can't make any more land, so we have
That's
to go
right.
3D living, have to go up, right? So that's how we're maximizing space making and place making,
We also want to have a lot of green area.
and a lot of green areas. So that's
have
why,
that.
right? That's why the 3D concept is great to maximize a lot of the green areas. You can see it's a lagoon. We're in a very protected area, so we have to conserve a lot of these green areas and replant back a lot of mangroves. So we have to replant. How many mangroves have to replant?
150. We replanted, we chose
So replant a whole lot of mangroves that came off trees and mangroves alike.
That's good.
Bringing back all the
For
fauna
the
to
environment
the area.
and for the
Yes,
for the
bringing-
wildlife.
For the wildlife. So we prioritize flora and fauna and the environmental aspect when it comes on to this project as well. Very green. Very green friendly, environmental friendly.
Well, it's a bigger space, it's a bigger unit space, right? Still, you get the breeze, and then all of the sunset in the evening. So it's like, do you want to wake up to sunrise, or would you like to sit out in the evenings and watch the sunset? Which one you want? Or you can have both. I get that reaction from my clients a lot, because I take them to it's also very nice.
Do you know those by heart?
No.
Okay.
Construction rate.
No, construction period for each tower.
So we're doing 2 floors a month now with this tower. Our initial construction projection date was 2027 for this one.
Okay.
We've moved up to next year, 2026 for completion for
Wow.
this.
That's a year.
Next year this will be done. We're at
A
17.
year ahead of
We'll
schedule.
be done next year, a year ahead.
Okay,
We're
so
ahead.
construction is efficient.
So this is what we've done in a year. In a year and about 3-4 months, we've constructed a commercial area. We're moving in there next month. Other spaces, other companies will be moving into the commercial area. 3 stories, 40,000 square feet. We're at 17th floor for here. We're at 2nd level for the parking next door. We're almost done planning for the 3rd tower in a year and 3 months. In
I
a
won't
year
say
and
much
3
more.
months.
Yeah.
So that is how fast we're moving. It's the PSI for the cement.
Okay.
And then we have the steel making machine right there. And the engineers going, walking through, making sure everything is on par, it's up to standard.
And it's very organized.
Very organized.
That's the one thing that stuck out to me.
On
Even
schedule all the
entering.
time. Workmanship, testing, engineer visits, fire visits, the firemen, the fire safety people. They come and do their inspections. on schedule, as scheduled, and it's always in accordance with what you should be doing.
And I must admit, this is my second visit here, and when I came back last time, there's a certain time of day I saw all the workers coming back
From
off their
lunch.
lunch break,
And
and
we
they
will
were
see
coming
them.
sharply
Oh,
on the hour,
they're
you know.
2 o'clock.
Yeah.
So remember, we're driving in just now. They were walking.
I
in.
saw it just like
And it
last
was 4
time,
to 2.
before the end of their lunch
they're,
break.
They're gonna get here to start working at 2 o'clock.
So you know that's diligence in your work, you know. And you know, if I'm investing in a building, I want to know that it's been formed, it's been constructed correctly.
Just
And,
want to know that the developers know what they're doing. You want to know that if they're committing to a timeline, if they're committing to a standard, if they're committing to a procedure, a policy that they're going to maintain, that they're going to adhere to, they meet the criteria. And we've met and surpassed all of it. We've had no misses in construction. We've had no delays that would need to be communicated to a client or to a buyer. If you say we're finishing this by this time, we finish that by that time before, and we start the next step, the next process.
So I've got 100% confidence in recommend this project to my clients.
Thank you.
And yeah, I'm quite impressed so far.
Yes,
Yeah.
quality is assured.
And I remember your reaction first time. You were like, wow, wow, wow. Yeah. And I still get a reaction when I come here. Still like, oh,
Yeah, I was looking at the steel work. I was admiring the rebar, and you know, because I'm into that stuff, and I was just looking at the architecture of it, the way it looked, and just
I'm a
coming
lover
out.
of architecture. I admire this stuff. I take pride in every little bit of it. I love it.
very nice.
And I think
this
it's
mountain view is a good way, you know.
yeah. And honestly, it's an honor to just be part of this. In terms of this building project for Jamaica, because it's landmark.
It's landmark. It's we're creating waves. We're making history. We're
First of its
definitely
kind
going
here.
down
It's the
history.
first of its kind.
Coming above 28 floors. 28 stories. Is a template. The Pinnacle is a template.
We did it.
We did it first.
Did it,
Prime stamp.
done it,
English
mastered
speaking
it.
Caribbean.
We set the pace. We started it.
And
Yes.
this is not just real estate, it's a legacy. You're buying into the legacy.
Exactly.
It's not right, but
Yeah. You're leaving a mark now. This is heritage as well.
Nice. That's it.
Yeah.
Sure. Yep. Ooh, the other one is coming off. I hate it. Hate it. So let's do this with the view from coming up from the elevator, going to the unit. What you said. We're gonna go left or right to your unit. If you choose not to use the elevator, you can use the stairs, which they're on either end of the tunnel. Once you turn up downstairs, either do elevator or right or left your stairs if you want to walk the tunnel. This is a two-bed. This will be a model unit and a mount also.
You can really visualize the space a lot more with these partitions
Of
going
course.
in. The balconies as well, you know.
How high up the devices.
I,
That's a big thing.
I don't think this was in last time I came.
It was not. I had a client do this last week. It's not moving. They're
Yes.
like, this is nice. I feel safe.
I like this.
It's category 5
Hurricane
glass,
proof.
hurricane glass, right? And then this is metal.
Mm.
And it's the same for the windows and doors. And they're going from ceiling to floor.
And this isn't any type of metal, is it?
No.
This looks like it could be aluminum or something.
It's aluminum and it's the grade that will withstand the sea breeze. The
yeah,
sand,
and
so it
the
doesn't rust.
corrosion as
The
well, yeah.
corrosion, right.
Yeah, I thought so.
Yes.
Yeah.
So the quality of glass.
Do you know what I really like about these full height doors? Is I can tell quality from the kind of more mediocre stuff.
Of course.
And you see how easy that was to slide. I mean, that's high quality.
And it slides.
Really high quality.
So you can go back one door space or two door space over here.
Right.
So you can open completely out. For all this breeze
It's
to come
quality.
in. The fire line going through the water line for the fires and the duct for the AC to show it central air.
I like this type of. Let me see. Okay, it's good to see all the fire rated pipe work going in. And you see it's got a good sprinkler system in here.
Remember we saw the pipe coming out of the
Yeah.
elevator shaft? The main pipe. There's a spring that runs from the hills.
Okay. Really?
Yeah, so we pump the water from across there to here. Yeah.
And then process
Yes.
and send it up?
No, we use it to the hospital.
Okay, okay, I see.
So I'm thinking that so after it comes from across the
So it's a spring water, really?
I told her I live there. It's like see all the time, especially when I was younger, the old road before the highway was back there. So they come with their water buckets
And fill up.
buckets and fill up.
Oh,
and
my
that's
mum
how they
does
drink
that.
it. Yeah, they don't
It's the
buy
best
the processed
water.
or the one in the supermarket.
It's the best water.
It's very clean. This has not been processed at all. Just come straight from it.
It's clean.
I know.
You know, just the look of it, it looks like it's drinkable.
It hasn't been processed at all. It just comes in, that's it. Well, that's the bathroom. It's the
I mean-
bathroom. It's heavy. Oh, there's a lever for it.
Nice.
Let's try inside. So the bath is over here. Same. Oh, there's a lever for it. Oh. Oh.
And it looks
Oh.
nice.
I'll leave it open. We saw it open.
The windows.
Category 5, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Floor to ceiling glass, you know, it brings in the light
And the breeze.
and the breeze with it. It improves your life, your mental well-being.
It does.
Yeah.
It does.
Feng Shui teacher.
This is really
And then
Honestly, it's a massive balcony.
massive.
You know, you could have a could have a special occasion out
party,
here.
right?
Yeah.
Party.
Absolutely, you can have have 30 guests up here. You know, standing cocktail party.
Easily. Still giving you lots of light inside.
Plenty of room. That's not a small room.
You're having dinner, you're cooking, you're still looking up something. Look at all the space that you get to open it all the way up.
This is this.
So every bedroom, the living and dining, has an access to the balcony, an opening to the balcony.
I tell you, it makes me want to invest now. You know?
All of the
Go and see the bank manager.
I know, right? How can you work this out? That's the entrance right here.
That's quite grand, isn't it? I like high doors. You know,
And you
I
go
think.
into, I think that's a washroom. Laundry.
That's a laundry room. Look at that.
We're incorporating different styles and practices.
Buddha. This is called work smarter, not harder.
That's smart. And
No gas. He's setting the time.
No gaps.
So that
You know,
machine
that's
is
the-
and the digits on the machine. So it accurately measures the amount of pressure or weight that he needs to put on it.
Right, to ensure no air bubbles, no gaps. A
And to
floor
make
that
sure it's
lasts.
level.
Yeah, and that thing would, tile will be there for the next 30, 40 years. It'll be fine. No. No, Jamaica.
I'm glad you came today. I'm glad you
In Jamaica.
Oh wow, that's big.
That's the whole lot.
This is the furniture.
It's arriving.
Pictures, yeah. Oh, they've been here. But no, they're just
Horizontal bars.
Yeah,
In Jamaica, we now have the vertical bars. You see?
that's right.
So this is the second floor that's going to have a gym, conference room, multi-purpose area for kids.
Yeah. This is looking finished.